What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm about to take you all on the first drive of my 2024 Acura Integra Type S. So I recently got the car broken in, so I'm at about 1,000 miles now. Break-in period was like 600 miles, and I was out of the country and I took the car with me, so I was able to get the cheat code and get to break-in period to be completed earlier than expected, so I'm happy about that. And that's good for you all, because we all get to experience the full power of this thing. So the new car, you're not supposed to rev past 4,000 RPMs until you get to like 600 to 1,000 miles. I'm hearing both of them, but I said 600. But let's take a walk around here real quick. So I had this car for about 2-3 weeks maybe. And yeah, it's been a great car to have so far, especially with fitting other people in here. And I compare it to the GR Corolla, because I got one of those too. And this is the car I chose because it's a bigger car, and mainly because I wanted to get to the break-in period to be completed sooner. So I took this car, but the Corolla would have been a great car to take as well. Actually, the Corolla was my first car, but if I didn't have to break this in, I would have taken the Corolla GR. But this thing is very mean, very aggressive looking. I love the black accents, the wide fenders. This thing is filthy right here. Like you can see the white pearl shining through, reflecting with the flake in it, and you see all the dead bugs I hit because I just got back yesterday, last night actually, and then my bronze wheels are dirty, very dirty. But yeah, this car is a blast. But we're about to unleash the beast right now and see what this power is feeling like. So I'm about to take you all on my normal route that I go on, and we're about to hop into it. And before I get behind the driver's seat, shout out to the men of culture. Got Race Car Friends, Blueprint 1 LE, 100 Gang Nate. So if you like cars like these, we got a couple Type S's, WRX, and more cars to come soon. But right now, Type S time, so let's go. Hopping into the driver's seat of the 2024 Integra Type S. The S is for slouch. Nope. Beefed up the powertrain with the 2-liter turbo. So I'm gonna start off in individual mode. It's this button press right here. I'll show y'all what I got. Sport Plus for engine, Sport everything else. The gauge, the steering, suspension, and Sport is like normal mode now. And Sport Plus is more like what Sport used to be. All right, let's get ready to take off. E-brake off. Start with the windows down so you can hear the exhaust. Got some growl to it compared to the Civic Type R and the other Integra. Way more throaty. And we got pops. $7,000 RPM red line. Very linearly. Limited slip really helps pull it while you're turning and stabbing the throttle like I seem to do. Side. How you like that? We weren't flexing on him. We just happened to be in the wrong place at the wrong time. car has fantastic inputs, man. Shifter with the clutch and the steering feel, it's pretty good. A little pop with the downshift. It's always a car in this turn when I'm trying to take it. We got it. See how we can launch this thing. Front wheel drive is hard to launch. Whoa, wheel hop. Damn, that was kind of bad. Woo. We got to figure that one out another day. When I do my 0 to 60s, that will not be pleasant at all. Probably should turn traction control off. I do feel a little torque steering here when I hit those turns and get on the accelerator. It's minimal, but you can still feel it. I'm not sure that you can 100% defeat torque steer in a front wheel drive car. It's been reduced a lot because I had an 04 Acura TL and that car had crazy amounts of torque steer. Fiesta ST, it has torque steer, but this one is less than those two from what I noticed right now, but it's still there. Here we go. Got to be blinding y'all. This blinded me. Drop down a second. Get them some space. We got 2 more corners we can get on. Bumps. That was quite smooth. So I hope you all enjoyed this first drive of my Acura Integra, just unleashing the power, seeing what it's like, especially in the turns, and just straight open, wide open throttle. If you like more videos like these, drop a comment, like, and subscribe. And don't forget to browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.